And remember, it's always mixed. By the way, do you find these videos very important or very interesting or very informative? Yes, give me a subscribe button. Don't forget to follow and don't forget to put a comment in the comment section. We are looking at the mostly frequently asked questions regarding security guard jobs in Qatar 2024. And in today's video, we want to look at yet another question. What is the process of obtaining what you call a work visa for a security guard position in Qatar? Like any other job which is work visa sponsorship, an employer or what we call a sponsor or a company willing to recruit you as a security guard will do the formalities or will do the process of applying for you the visa. What is your requirement or what do you have to present as the person who is going to receive the opportunity or is going to receive that visa? It's all your role will only be you to submit what we call the required documents according to the company requirement or according to the sponsor requirement. Remember, most of those documents that are provided are what you call the necessary document for them to process for you what you call a work visa or to process for you the visa in one regard. Depending on the company there are different requirements that the company will ask or different sponsors will ask different requirements depending on which kind of project or which kind of area where you are going to be dispatched or where you are going to be put in that role. Yes, but whatever something that I need to let you know, as you a person who is being recruited as a security guard in job as a security guard or to work as a security guard here in Qatar, the one thing that definitely should understand is that you'll have to do what we call the medicals, and the medicals you must be able to pass what you call the medical treatments, or you must be able to pass what you call the medicals. And once you pass the medicals, you'll go for fingerprints. When you go for fingerprints, then your sponsor or your company will issue what you call a residence permit, meaning that you are fit, eligible to work into the country. However, still something that definitely I should understand, or something that you should also understand, some of you or you must be able to pass what you call the requirement of the immigration. Yes, we've had some people that have moved out to our countries and have issues, either travel bans. Yes, definitely when they're applying for you the visa, it may not be that right for you or it may not be approved. But once you assure me, or once you are real sure that you have all the required documentation and the requirements, yes, the company will apply for you the visa, will give you the air ticket, will pay for you the visa, then it will recruit you, then you will start up the work according to what we call agreed or what is agreed in the contract.